I just can't swallow. Mom told me that girls are hollow. What's inside a girl? There ain't a no final question in a so-called civilized world. You got a pointy brow, a 10-inch waist, long black stockings all over the place. You got your boots, baby, buckles, baby, belts outside. What you got in there, girl? You're trying to hide. Whoa, huh? What's inside a girl? You know there's something telling me that there's a whole nother world. Can't see it by satellite, baby, that's cheating. The president is calling an emergency meeting. Said the king of Siam sent a telegram. Goes a wobble, lobba, looba, lobba, lamb it go. Come on, baby, what's inside a girl? There ain't a no final question in a so-called civilized world. Oh, what you got, oh, what you got, oh, what you got in the box, oh, what you got, oh, what you got, oh, what you got in the box, to the bottom of the bottom of the bottomless pit. Oh, you got something, girl, I gotta get it. What's inside a girl? There ain't a no final question in this whole damn civilized world. You made a meal out of me and the other boys. I guess it was just enough to make a one-main course. Sugar and spice, girl, it's just a bluffer. You can tell me, mama, what is that stuff? Come on, baby, what's inside a girl? What you got, oh, what you got, oh, what you got in the box, oh, what you got, oh, what you got, oh, what you got in the box, oh, to the bottom of the bottom of the bottomless pit. You got something, girl, I gotta get it. Come on, baby, what's inside a girl? You know there's something telling me that there's a hole. Something telling me that there's a hole. Something telling me that there's a whole another world.